Okay, you don't see Lynn here because she's sleeping. She's taking a nap now. Okay, welcome back everybody. Today we are going to unbox a few things here. Okay, let's start with our surprise for the big sister. Okay, and one more for the big sister here. Vynn, you want to open it now?
Open it.
Yeah?
Open.
Are you excited? Oh, you open a mermaid.
This one. Ikaw, mommy.
Wow. Yeah. Okay.
A few moments later.
What we call this?
Dentist Kit.
Dr. Kongsuni Dentist Kit. This is the one. These are the 6 cards here. They have steps here. Okay, these are the baby hippo dental card. Okay, step 1: brush your top teeth and your bottom teeth up and down, and reach back to the molars on each side. Okay, this is how you should brush your teeth. And don't forget to clean your tongue too. Okay, rinse out your mouth. Then put your toothbrush in its original place. All done. So remember the 3-3-3 rules. Brush your teeth 3 times a day within 3 minutes of eating for 3 minutes. And you will say bye-bye ugly cavities. Yeah. Okay, let us try on the toothbrush now.
So you press this button here, and then you can take this out.
Press it. Okay.
This one.
Okay, now you can use the drill.
Press.
And then take out. Yes. Okay. You want to use the mirror?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Open the baby hippo mouth and you check the mouth. Ooh. Oh. Oh.
Candy.
Oh.
That's bad. Snap that.
See? Change the mirror to the toothbrush. try on the drill. Okay, what you're gonna do, you have to put this into the teeth and listen to a click. Click it in, okay? And this is what do.
Jump.
Oh no, okay, again, okay.
Jump.
Yes.
Jump. Jump. Jump.
Okay, try again. Yeah. The next one, slip the cavity caps onto the teeth up front. Okay. Yeah, this thing. These are the cavity caps. Here you are.
That really has a cavity. You can't do it. No, put it here.
Okay, use a forceps. Forceps. And
Can't do that. No.
slip
Vynn, you
the
can't do
cavity off.
Vynn, you can't do that.
Yeah, that's what we do.
And it comes like that.
Comes back here. Okay. There's this. Yes. Ah, take one more. Yes. You want to play? Okay, come in. What's that? Okay, where's the toothbrush? Oh, how you brush your teeth? Oh, this is the way you brush your teeth? Can you help baby hippo to brush its teeth? Yes, can you help baby hippo to brush his teeth? Okay. Can you take the brush and brush baby hippo? Do you like to brush teeth? You like to brush teeth? Yes. Hello, he says hello.
Hello. And just this. So brush. See? They're brushing teeth. See? Hey, stop it. No, no, no. No, that's the candy. Our teeth are good. No, no, that's the teeth. That's the teeth.